First of all, I wish a very happy birthday to Curry Leaf. I think within 1 year of its existence, the team Curry Leaf has done a tremendous job by organizing several noteworthy events. It is very nice of them to celebrate Professor Kumresan's birthday along with Curry Leaf birthday. And I also thank them for giving me an opportunity to say something about Professor Kumresan, someone whom I admire so much and I have learned so many things from him. My relationship with Professor Kumresan is more than Guru Shishya relation. To me, of course, he is my Guru, but he is also my guardian, mentor, a friend, and a family doctor, and whatnot. He has played a significant role in shaping my career and my personality. I have learned a lot of things from him, not just mathematics. Even the computer knowledge, I owe quite a lot to him. I think it was my destiny that brought me in contact with him through this noble MTTS program. But for his encouragement and the confidence that MTTS provided me, I don't think I would have ever imagined coming to Mumbai and doing my studies. Like many, I too met Professor Kumresan during MTTS program in 1995 when I was selected in level 1. So first time I saw him was on the first day at the time of registration. He was going around and helping and he was very simple. First I thought maybe he is some student or some non-teaching staff. Later on I came to know that was none other than Professor Kumresan. Anyway, he took our first class. It was linear algebra class, and I think it was combined class of level O and level 1. And his class was amazing, full of rigor, interaction, and lively. It was lively. I had never come across such a class before. It was really an eye-opener for me. Though frankly speaking, I don't think I had followed much. I had difficulties following his accent, and of course my English was very poor at that time. So as we know, whenever he is in MTTS program, he would go to all the classes. So though he was not teaching in our level, he used to come to our class, and whenever he will come to our class, the students and even the teachers would become very conscious. In fact, many students, were really scared of him. But for some reason, I, I found him to be friendly. Though I was warned before coming to MTTS that I should be careful with Professor Kumresan. It was told to me by one of my seniors who had attended MTTS in 1994. So during the program, many times I used to go to IIT Bombay guest house where he was staying and talk to him and ask my doubts, etc. I remember once when I visited the guest house, after dinner he came for a walk along with Professor Santhanam, and I was also there. So on the way, he asked me whether you followed a concept of totally bounded sets. That was the concept which was done in the topology class on that particular day, and he had come to that class, and I think he realized that not many students have followed that concept. So I mean, he asked me, and of course, since I had not followed much, I said no, I didn't follow. So he explained me that concept while going for a walk. I still remember it was near the auditorium of IIT Bombay. And again, during that program, I once went to him. I said that, okay, I want to join Mumbai University after my BSc for MSc, and also told him my family background, the constraints that I had. So in spite of all these, and of course I was not very good student at that time. So in spite of all these, he was very encouraging. And he in fact asked me to talk to several mathematics professors from Mumbai University, and he told me to tell them your difficulties and what you want to do, etc. So it was very helpful. Anyway, I joined Mumbai University in 1995, and those 2 years of our MSc was amazing. We had a lot of fun during our MSc days, and lot of things that we learned during those two years. Frankly speaking, the seeds of my professional career was sowed during that period under guidance of Professor Kumaresan. We could approach to him anytime, anywhere, in his office, or when he was going for evening walk, or sometimes at his residence. In fact, once he invited many of us for dinner, and he himself made very nice and tasty salad for us. Of course, this was over and above many delicious dishes that auntie had prepared. We really enjoyed that evening. There are so many quality of Professor Kumaresan that one can talk, and it will take me, several hours, and I don't think it will get over even then. Let me just mention one or two. Professor Kumaresan means confidence. He has lot of confidence in his students. Why do I say that? Let me just give you one incidence. When we were in second year MSc, there was a refresher course, UGC refresher course in the department, and the coordinator asked him to give a series of lectures on group action. So he told her that, why don't you ask my students Ajit and Abhijit to give lectures. They will do very good job because they have given very nice seminars. So she approached us, and we were like, what? We have to give lectures in refresher course? Anyway, so we gave lecture, and it was, people really appreciated that. But to be frank, if I remember my first seminar in Mumbai, when we took admission, I was at those days, every Saturday he used to conduct seminars. He used to give us topic, and we would read and explain during the seminars. That time in MTTS there was no seminars formally. So anyway, so my topic was something related to Archimedean property, and I had prepared. I thought I had prepared well, and I had also discussed with sir. But then when I was giving seminars, this is the first time I was giving seminar, and so I wrote from this end to that end on the board, and I could not explain things properly. So he asked, he was sitting on the front bench, and he asked me to rub the board. But then I was just standing. He repeated this 2 3 times. I didn't know what is meaning of rub the board. So he himself got up and cleaned the board. Then I understood, okay, this is what it means. So my seminar was complete washout actually. And from that, asking me to give a lecture, that too in a refresher course in front of college teachers, was an amazing. So that's the kind of confidence that he has in his students. Another quality of him is he's very, very simple and down to earth. Again, let me give you an instance. After I joined for my PhD with him in 1997, he was invited to give a series of lectures in IISc Bangalore and TFR Center. So he asked me whether you also want to come. I said, yes, why not? I mean, it's a golden opportunity for me. And he came to Bangalore along with me in sleeper class. Although he could have traveled in second class AC, first class AC, or even even by flight, but no, he came with me in sleeper class. He chose to travel in sleeper class with me, and he brought food from his home for the train journey. I mean, it was like he took care of me like his own son. And of course, we also traveled to Allahabad in sleeper class. Again, he could have traveled in first class or second class, but just to be with me. And because I could not afford AC or other mode of travel, he chose to come with me. That's the simplicity. I don't think many people would do this. And of course, I have had so many travels with him. We have traveled together so many places, including some foreign travels, and so much that I have learned from him during my association with him in all these trips. One more thing I would like to mention about Professor Kumresan. Many people know him as a very tough man and a taskmaster. Of course, he is a taskmaster, no doubt about it. Whenever he takes something, he would do it and make sure that everything is done properly. But he is very, very emotional person. I have not seen anybody more emotional than him. The first time I encountered this was after spending almost 8 years with him. I was going to Delhi for my job. So I went to his office to say goodbye to him and take his blessings. But then he was really very emotional. So anyway, I mean, I took his blessings, touched his feet, and then came to the guest house. And I was just putting my luggage in the taxi. But then I saw again, sir is coming there. He could not stop himself. And he again came to the guest house to say goodbye to me. I think it was like for him, it was like his own son going out. But of course, when I came back to Mumbai again, Auntie told me that he missed you a lot. Of course, I also missed Sir when I went away from uh, Mumbai, and good that I came back again. Anyway, so I have so many fond memories that I cherish just being with him. To me, Professor Kumresan is like a complete package. Like Dronacharya of Mahabharata or Maharshi Vasishta of Ramayana. Student, when he or she come in contact with him, uh, so much that student can learn from him. I mean, he will completely transform the student. Anyway, sir, I just love you. I just love being with you. Whether you are talking to me or talking to somebody else, there's so much that I have learned from you. And I can only say that the best thing that happened to me was that I met you. Wishing you many, many healthy, fruitful years ahead. And I wish your blessings and guidance will always there with me. Thank you.